Hello everyone, this is Miss Jamie from the Red Bank Public Library, and today I will be showing you how to make your own journal. This design has a little window where you can keep little treasures inside. For this project you'll need a stapler, scissors, markers, various sizes, and a Ziploc bag snack size, some glue, some colored paper to act as your cover, tape, and 6 pages of computer paper. It could also be lined paper if you wish. First, you take the stack of computer paper and you fold it in half. Then you take the thicker paper for your book cover and you do the same. Now you tuck the computer paper right into the cover. Make sure it's all lined up and good. And then take your stapler and staple it all together. Make sure that the stapler is about 1/2 inch in. And you'll want to staple the top, center, and bottom. And now you have the foundation for your journal. Next we'll be taking a pencil and we'll be drawing an outline of a bottle. And you'll take the scissors and you'll pinch the paper. So now complete fold, just a slight little pinch to raise up the paper a little bit so you're able to get your scissors through. So that's a good pinch right there. Take the scissors and a little slice right there. And then you have your little opening there, so now you can go and cut around. Next you're going to outline the bottle, put some paper underneath so it doesn't go on any of the pages, and just do a nice outline right around it. Next you're going to take your snack baggie and you're going to put your little items inside, and these could be items from magazines or newspapers, anything that you'd want to put in like as your little treasure. I'm going to use Alice for this. I'm also going to add some confetti inside. I'm going to do this by using a hole puncher to punch out little circles. After I'm done putting all the confetti inside, I'm going to seal the bag. I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to tape it to the inside cover of my book. I'm going to try and line it up with the bottle. Here you'll have your own little window, and you can see Alice moves around. I'm gonna just fix her right side up here. Now I'm gonna add like a little bottle line right here, so it creates the illusion that it's all one image. And I'm also going to add a label to my bottle. I found the words "a misfit," and I think that fits with Alice because she felt like a misfit in Wonderland. And you just stick it to the tape, and then just trim the sides and stick it right onto the bottle. Now I'm going to use brown paper to create the cork for the bottle. Then cut it out and glue it to the top of the bottle. Then you can use markers to decorate your book cover and put a label on the top. And here you'll have your very own journal. And I want to let you guys know that we're going to have a bullet journaling session with Miss Karen on August 1st at 6 o'clock. And the code word for this event is Ravenclaw. Thank you for joining us for today, and hope to see you soon.